Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. We have 3 ingredients: aloe vera or sabila, essential oil, and alcohol. Okay, we start the aloe vera. We need to cut this one first because it's too big. Spoon, we need 1/4 of cup for the aloe vera. And we're gonna mix it to the alcohol, 3/4 of alcohol. Now we're gonna put it in the blender because we need the gel of the aloe vera. We're gonna put it here. Ay, mali. So we need only 1/4. And 3/4 of alcohol. We're gonna add essential oil for the smell and so that your hand will not get dry. 1, 2. Mix again. And now we're gonna transfer it to the small container. And now, here we go! We have a hand sanitizer. It's natural. We're gonna try it. Let it dry. Thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.